In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and insert emojis in Google Docs. If you want to make your document feel more expressive, visually engaging, or just a little more fun, adding emojis in Google Docs is a simple way to do it. This can be useful for casual documents, classroom materials, team notes, announcements, or anywhere you want to add personality without interrupting the flow of your writing. The good news is that Google Docs has a built-in emoji option, so you don't need any extra tools to get started. To begin, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear. This is important because the emoji will be inserted into that spot in your text, just like any other character. Next, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click Insert. This menu contains a variety of items you can add to your document, such as images, tables, and special characters. Since emojis are grouped in that area, this is where you'll start. After that, click Symbols. This opens the section where Google Docs lets you browse different types of characters that aren't normally found on your keyboard. It's a helpful feature when you need icons, special marks, or visual elements like emojis. From there, choose Emoji. Once you select it, you'll see a panel or picker that displays different emoji options. This makes it easy to browse through available expressions, symbols, and icons directly inside Google Docs without leaving your document. Now, choose your desired emoji. Simply click the one you want, and it will be inserted into your document at the cursor location. You can repeat this as many times as needed if you want to add more than one. If you're working on headings, labels, lists, or short notes, emojis can help organize information visually and make certain sections stand out. As a quick tip, try to use emojis in moderation so your document still looks clean and professional, especially if it's being shared in a school or work setting. They work best when they support the content rather than distract from it. And that's all it takes to insert emojis in Google Docs. Once you know where to find them, it becomes a fast and easy way to customize your document and make it feel more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.